I'm Pat Bulcock, Managing Director of S-X. So today we're using the Brian James box van for installing a machine control system, a 2D machine control system onto this excavator. So the idea of us using the Brian James box van was to be able to take our workshop with us. Rather than confining things to one vehicle, it means any vehicle could do that job at any point. We've got an extra volume situation whereby with the ramps and doors opening, we can get larger items in. You're limited to a ton capacity in a van. Whereas with a trailer now, we can lighten the van and transfer that to the trailer and not be limited to the vehicle space. And also means we can have a welfare unit in the van itself. So the guys now are completely mobile. It's worked exceptionally well because it just gives us that flexibility.